Hello guys, welcome to this channel. Today I would like to show you how to add font to Capcut. Alright, after you import your video to Capcut, you can click anywhere but the video and then you can choose text on the bottom of your screen and then choose add text. And after you click add text, you can click add font. Click add font right here. Okay, and click this plus button. Alright, and click upload file and make sure that you have downloaded a font from the internet, guys. And then wait a second, and you can choose the font that you have downloaded before. Alright, I'll choose this font. And okay, font has been uploaded, and the font that I have just uploaded to this Capcut is this one, this font, back home. Sorry. And you can click on the font that you have added to the Capcut. Alright, and then you can enter the text that you want to put on your video. Okay guys, that's how we can add font to Capcut, and thanks for watching this video. See you on the next time.